Okay, so tonight it's a little bit of an unexpected video. I didn't plan to come out to the shop tonight, but so when my son came home from work, we got a narrow driveway, and he blocked my G8 in, and I had to go to HEB, so South Texas grocery store, and I drove this car, and it is really unstable, and it is scary. Like just driving like 35, 40 miles an hour, you make a turn. It literally feels like this thing's a second from rolling over. And not to mention his spare tire is leaking. Sucker's almost flat. He's got a car tire on this side, and that's my doing because I let my nephew borrow it for about a week, and he had a blowout. Not his fault. Just I didn't have a tire to get. It was literally middle of the night, so this was a 16-inch tire that I just had in my shop, and I was like, I'll just throw this on, I'll mount it, get him back on the road. Here's the blown out tire. Yeah, that guy's not salvageable. And then this tire, it's a different size, but it's not that much different from the the tires that the truck came with. And the thing is, though, like, I don't have new tires for it, so I gotta try to get this thing to match somehow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this tire, which is the same size, or close to the same size as that one, move it to the back, and I'm gonna take that spare, I'm gonna patch that leak, put it back under the truck, and then since we got a car tire here, which is a 225 60 16, and I got this LS400. I bought it about a year ago, and it's got the same size 16 225 60 16 on it. I'm gonna take that wheel off. Good tire, it's got good tread, looks good. So I'm gonna pull that off, so that at least that way my son will have two car tires in the front and then two similar matching tires in the back. So hopefully this thing will ride more stable, won't feel like a death trap. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Like, I'm gonna pull this guy off, I'm gonna patch it. Well, actually I'm gonna grab the wheel off of that LS400, get the tire, swap it to the blown out wheel that's in the boot there, and then I'm gonna put that one in the front here, and then the on the other side, and then I'm gonna take that tire, move it here, and then I'm gonna patch this guy. And I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure this wheel tire isn't mine. It actually belongs to my buddy neighbor. And I don't think he's ever gonna use these wheels again. But if he needs some kind of payment, I'll give him a PB Touch or something. That's what those boys are. That's what they're into these days. I don't know. I'm gonna keep the rim. I'm just gonna rob this tire. It's a good looking tire. I mean, look at that. Tread for days. Sorry, neighbor. Let me know what you need. I'll get Tony to stroke you or something. I don't know. We'll find out. All right, so I got this guy that's gonna go on this guy. So run this guy to my tire machine. Just way in the back. Thanks, Frank. Used to be up front, but so I'm gonna break this guy loose, and Jesus. Okay, break this guy loose, get the tire off of here, clearly junk, and bring the good boy in and swap them out. All right, so as you saw, I had a heck of a time getting that tire sealed. Reason being, no, there's the weight. Yeah, the weight came off. We're not gonna worry about that. That guy doesn't work anymore. But there was, where'd it go? Oh yeah, this came out of the tire. So that's part of the inner part that seals. So I guess whoever mounted that tire to that rim took a chunk out of it. It was inside there. So yeah, I fought with it to get it to seal, but got it sealed, checked it, no leaks. So yeah, crappy tire, but same size as front, so my boy will be a little bit more safe. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take the driver's side front, I'm gonna take that one off, put this one on, and then I'm just gonna move that guy to the back spare. Yeah, so confusing as hell. Nobody's following, yeah, you guys are just like, I don't even know what the hell I'm watching. Hopefully you're just asleep and my shit's just running. So I'm getting every minute of revenue I can out of this because your boy broke, and we need, yeah, just watch my shit. Play the ads. I'd do it for you. I'd do it for you. All right, next thing. All right, so big tires back, little tires front. This old thing's got a rake. Look at it. You want a drag race, buddy? Got the aerodynamicals going. Sheesh. This looks so stupid, but it's definitely safer. This is the spare that, I'm gonna leave my son with. And there's the leak. What the frig that is? That's a big ass. That's a big boy. That's something. That's something in there. So I'm gonna pull this out. I'm not gonna break this tire down. I think I can. I bought a new tool. My other one broke, so I got a new tool, so I could just shoot a plug in there. I'm gonna go do that and charge this guy up with air. So my son's got same side tires on the back. Same side tires on the front. He should be safe. And he's got a spare. And the factory jack and all that BS is still in there. And I'll probably send this guy back underneath. It's getting late as hell. I got to get back to the house and do some cooking for Matt's lunch tomorrow. But yeah, so he's got a good spare. Yeah, he should be ready to send. I'm gonna drive it, obviously, because I gotta drive home. But oh yeah, before I do that, I gotta get my jack back and go throw a block under that sucker. And then tomorrow I'll bring the tire from the house and mount it back up, and gotta park that damn car out. So if you guys are down for those old LS400s like that boy there, let me know. It's complete. It's got rod knock, but it's complete. So other than that, let's go. Oh, all right. I'm freaking tired, dude. I'm kind of, oh my God. I'm getting delirious. Like, been up for 20 hours. Left tools on the hood there. Oof. All right, so that's the end of this. Like, subscribe. Not gonna do that. You're not gonna do that. I wouldn't do that. I don't even watch my videos. Like, I quit. Like, I quit my videos. Thanks for watching. Love you. Love you. Bye. Oh yeah, feels real nice. Nice and stable. Decent. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.